guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kayla Rouser-Davis and I'm back with a new video. Today I'm giving you guys a get ready with me, a full get ready with me, and I'm heading to work. First, we're going to start off by hair. Beauty Forever hair. I have a 16-inch closer, 3 bundles, a 18, 20, and a 22. For my ponytail, I'm going to use the 22 inches because I want my hair to be long. So this is the curly hair, Malaysian curly hair in the natural black. So pretty, so gorgeous. I washed and conditioned and this is how it looks. I already worn this once the day before and you guys, it looks so good. It looks like it could be my real hair. So first we're just going to spray our hair with water because my hair is like really dry, and we want to make sure our hair is slick as possible. So I'm going to take this conditioner for Organics, I believe, and we're going to go ahead and use this as a leave-in, and I'm just going to put that all over my hair. Make sure I get my ends as well because my ends are really dry. So a little thing about this hair is it does shed a little bit but not a lot, but it's really good and really affordable. So if you guys want to purchase anything, I will make sure to link everything down below and let you guys know the inches I have and the inches I used in this video. So I just use my Eco Styler gel to slick everything down. You want this ponytail slick as possible. Now I'm going to braid my hair. We're going to do like the wraparound method around the braid. So you want to braid your hair all the way to the end and then secure it with a rubber band. Now I'm going to slick my edges down because you guys, you cannot have a slick style without your baby hairs looking good. So now I'm just using the Eco Styler gel and a toothbrush. This is a brush that I bought for my edges. So make sure you slay your baby hairs. I'm using the Eco Styler olive oil. And then I'm going to take my Cream of Nature Extra Hold to secure and make sure my baby hairs stay on all day. And you just want to take any kind of holding spray. This is my favorite holding spray ever. This is from Organics. It's like the sleek shea butter kind. And you guys, I love it. It makes my hair shiny. It makes my hair hold all day. So now I'm going to take the bundles in a bobby pin. And you just want to take the end of the bundle and then the bobby pin and stick it in your hair in the braid as shown in the video. Also, I doubled the bundle so it can be thicker and so it wouldn't take me a very long time to wrap the bundle around my braids. You want to make sure you wrap the bundle around the braid kind of tightly, and you want to go all the way up to the ponytail holder. So now I'm just going to take the hair and I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail holder and a little towards down so you guys cannot see the ponytail holder and when I stopped wrapping the hair towards the ponytail. If that makes any sense, just watch the video. The video will help really good because I'm more of a visual myself. So yeah. Also, to secure that, make sure the ponytail is in place, use a bobby pin. Make sure you get the small bobby pins because I didn't have anything but the medium-sized bobby pins. Finish with the hairstyle, but to finish we're going to use the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration finishing oil serum, and then we're going to go back in with our hold spray to secure everything, and then we're going to put our satin scarf on top. So make sure everything is in place, make sure everything is flat, and yeah, so let's get on with the makeup. For the makeup, I'm going to start off with my two primers. So first, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Liquid Highlighter, and this is in the shade 50, and I love me like a glowy foundation. And then I'm going to use the TooFaced Primed in Peachy Cooling Matte Primer on my T-zone because my nose is a little oily throughout the day. So I'm more combination skin, which I'm kind of normal on the cheeks and everywhere else, but on my nose and forehead, I get a little oily. Now I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer in the shade 14 to prime my eyelids and also to shape my brows with. I'm using this instead of the P. Louise because I wanted something a little bit more natural in today's look. Set my eyelid, I'm going to use the Beauty Bakerie Flower Powder in the shade Yellow. You guys, I really love this powder, so get your hands on it if you want to try a new setting powder. So I'm going to use my Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to use the two shades, which is like a medium, like a light brown, and then like a medium brown because I wanted something simple, but I wanted something on my eyelid, and I love like matte little smoky eyes or matte eyes in general that just look really good, and you can wear it with anywhere. You can wear it with anything. You can wear it any season. It's just a easy look to do. And this is like something quick and easy to do if you work at a makeup counter, makeup store in general. Something easy because I know you have to have like a full little kind of glam or whatever. And I'm just going to use my Marc Jacobs mascara. I love this mascara. It's lit. Decided to do my brows again for you guys because I know you guys always asking me how I do my brows, what products I use, etc. I use the Kat Von D 24-hour super brow pomade in the shade medium brown. I love this stuff. It's super creamy and pigmented. I love that it doesn't dry when you're close to pan because I'm almost at pan, but it's still not dry. It's still creamy. I love it. It lasts all day, all night, and it retails for $19 at your local Sephora. And I'm just using an Anastasia 7B eyebrow brush. I'm going in with my TooFaced Born This Way foundation, and I'm in the shade Spice Rum. I love this foundation, you guys. It's like a demi matte, so it's not going to mattify because I really don't like mattifying foundations. So yeah, and I'm just going to use this foundation brush to basically paint my face. And then I'm going to use my Sigma Flat Kabuki foundation brush, the best foundation brush ever in my opinion. Concealer, I'm going to take the TooFaced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Butterscotch. This is the best concealer. I love it. It kind of reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape, but like a 2.0 version, if that makes any sense. To set the highlighted areas, I'm just going to go in with my Beauty Bakerie Flower Powder in the shade Yellow. You guys, I love this. This is probably like my holy grail. Like, where have I been? Why haven't I used this powder? Like, it's amazing. It's amazing. Seriously. Taking my Sephora MircoSmooth Baked Powder in the shade Mahogany to set my entire face. My bronzer, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Mahogany. For my highlighter, I'm using the Artist Couture Diamond Loose Powder in the shade Conceited. You guys, this is like the best loose diamond powder glow, make it glow powder ever, literally. And then I'm taking my Juvias Place palette, the Saharan palette, the blush 2, I believe, and I'm going to use this as my blush, and then I'm going to go back with my highlighter. Now I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo pencil in Black Bean and then take my More Lashes by Tiffany lashes. And you guys, if you guys have not checked out her lashes, what are you doing? Now I'm going to put the highlight that I used on my cheeks and nose, in my inner corner, and on my brows. So to apply my lashes, I use my hands. And for my setting spray, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Now for the lips, I'm going to use the NYX Suede Lip Liner in the shade Cold Brew. And for my liquid lipstick, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Malt. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the bell down below so you guys can be notified whenever I post. Let me know down below if you guys really enjoy Get Ready With Me. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.